following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for all of San Francisco. At around 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple reports came in about people acting very strange and attacking violently, to the point that the victim is dead. It is unknown what causes these people to act violently, but all residents are being advised to remain indoors. Stay tuned to local media for more information.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for San Francisco, CA. An hour ago, multiple 911 calls came in about people acting violently towards other humans, and since then, the people who are acting violently have suddenly gone into a coma. It is unknown what is happening. If your loved one has fallen into a coma, do not approach and leave the body immediately. In addition, before the people fall into a coma, the people who are attacking other people have an unknown but evil effect. The effects include not controlling themselves, violent behavior, coughing out blood, shouting satanic rhetoric, new personality, muscle spasms, a deep voice, and super knowledge. If anyone you know is experiencing these effects, do not go near them and call 911. Stay tuned for more information and updates.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. People who fall into a coma have gone into transformations. These transformations include eyes changing color to yellow, orange, or red, skin color changing to red, or crimson red, the color of finger and toenails changing to black, horns growing on a head, sharp teeth formation on the mouth, and dark wings on their back. It is unknown what causes these transformations, but all residents in the city of San Francisco are strongly advised to head indoors immediately. The San Francisco police will be investigating the situation. Please stay tuned for more information.
A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for all of San Francisco. The people who fall into a coma and begin a transformation have woken up and looking like demons. These demons are extremely dangerous as they are causing massive damage. In addition, a large fire was formed in Twin Peaks which was most likely caused by a demon. If you're in the city of San Francisco, shelter in place immediately. Do not go and look for your loved one as you will put your life in extreme danger. Police tried to take down these demons but they were unsuccessful as these demons are too strong. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation.
Civil danger warning for the entire state of California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency. Numerous reports came in about the demon attacking everyone and causing massive damage throughout the state of California. Demons are using their powers to generate fire and cause massive damage. The state police tried to stop these demons, but all failed as the demons are too strong to be taken down. All residents in the state of California are strongly advised to seek shelter immediately as evacuating will be impossible due to many demons that were reported across the state of California. Everyone near the borders of California is also being advised to shelter in place. Do not go outside for any reason, close all doors and windows. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The demons that were reported attacking throughout California have spread into other states. These states include Nevada, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Montana, Colorado, New Mexico, and Wyoming. These demons are attacking the human race. All residents in the mentioned states are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. If the demon breaks into your home, use anything that is necessary such as a firearm. We have no idea if what causes these transformations and spawning demons to occur, but many theories say is that the demonic spirit causes it, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents are being advised to shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned to his station or another station to provide news and updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Demons have spread across the central United States and as well as some areas in Mexico, British Columbia and Alberta in Canada have also reported a demon attack. All residents in the central United States are being advised to shelter in place immediately. If you want to evacuate, leave your home as fast as possible. The military is being deployed to handle this situation. The eastern of United States are being advised to remain indoors. If in case the demons has spread to eastern United States, a national emergency may declare if the demons have spread across the North American continent. Shelter in place right now. This message will repeat.
It's currently 12:40 a.m. on Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today, we'll be talking about the recent events that's unfolding in central and western of the United States. Yes, you heard me correctly. It's about demons attacking people. And yeah, that's really a life-threatening situation, and all of us should be taken seriously. Everyone, if you're in central and western of the United States, you must shelter in place immediately, as these demons are strong and dangerous. Do not approach them. And we have emergency alert system now activating. We have an EAS alarm activating right now. Please stand by for this message.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Demons have been reported spreading to other states. These states include Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, and West Virginia. In addition, these demons have the ability to create disasters such as thunderstorms, tornadoes, earthquakes, and volcano eruptions. These demons have also been reported to be creating a virus. This virus name is HEC-125. HEC-125 symptoms include nausea, vomiting blood, coughing out blood, slurred speech, red eyes, headaches, fatigue, deepening of the voice, and hallucinations. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. All residents are being advised to remain indoors and avoid this virus, as the virus is very contagious and dangerous. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Demons have spread across the United States as well as Canada and Mexico. The virus has also spread across the entire North American continent. Many religions believe that the cause behind all of this is which it is caused by demonic spirits, which is possibly true. Everyone across North America is being advised to seek shelter right away. These demons are attracted to light, speed, and sound. Updates about this event will come out shortly.
following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Demons have now spread across the world, and all countries around the world have been reporting demon attacks and transformations. It is confirmed that this is caused by a demonic spirit. Demons continue to cause chaos around the world, and many countries around the world are starting to collapse. People are fighting back against demons in each collapsed country. Extinction is likely, as few humans are left on the earth. At this time, gather your family, kids, pets, friends, and grandparents. Do not tell younger children about the event. I have selected a Bible. The Lord will help us all and sacrifice for us. This station will be going off the air for the final time.